While the calendar in the Asia-Pacific region will be rather light in the week ahead, investors will get a fresh look at some notable releases, including China's house price index, Australia's jobs report, and Japan's inflation rate. The week will kick off with an updated reading of New Zealand's CPI for the second quarter. Inflation in the country has been lingering below the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's 2% target, which the central bank has partly attributed to low food and import price inflation. The country's consumer price index had climbed by 0.5% in March over the previous month, with alcohol and tobacco costs contributing the most to the upward swing. A 10% tax levied on cigarettes at the start of the year has more than likely taken a toll on smokers' wallets, with the price of a full pack of cigarettes running consumers around $20 in some major cities. Recent figures suggest that cigarette users comprise around 13.5% of the national population, and according to the government stats, New Zealand's Ministry of Health aims to cut that figure further this year. Given the price increase, coupled with a shrinking population of smokers, some company sales have declined in the region. Philip Morris, for example, saw its revenues fall in East Asia, Australia, considerably in the first quarter, with shipments in the area also plunging significantly year on year. Also on the calendar Monday, investors will get a new report on China's housing index, which will be followed on Tuesday by the release of the Reserve Bank of Australia's minutes from its July 3rd policy meeting. As widely expected, the RBA left its cash rate unchanged at 1.5% amid high levels of household debt and low wage growth. However, Australia's seasonally adjusted unemployment rate had surprised the market with a drop to 5.4% in May, its lowest level since last November, with the RBA adding that strong growth in employment has been accompanied by a significant rise in labor force participation. The Australian Bureau of Statistics will unveil its latest report on the nation's labor market Wednesday, when fresh figures on Japan's trade balance will also be released earlier in the day. Japan will also provide an update on its consumer price index on Thursday to round out the week. Visit the IBKR Trader Workstation for a full list of U.S. and global economic data, corporate events and earnings, IPOs, and more. I'm Steven Levine with Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy your weekend.